Apparently creating a sun in Unity is too easy for anyone to make a tutorial about this. So I got a basic scene from the asset store, add a directional light to it that will act as our sun. We can reset its transform because all we care about is the rotation and we will change it later. I like to change the color of the light and the intensity to make it more natural. Now go to the window rendering light to open the light settings for the scene. The scene settings might be different for you if you got a different asset, but we don't care about that. All we care about is the environment tab. Here we will set the skybox material to the default skybox material. If you have other skybox material, you can use them. Wait, in the scene we can see the skybox but not in the game view. That is because the camera mode is set with color instead of skybox. Now we can go back to our settings and attach our directional light to the sun source. If you want the scene to stay lit when the sun is down, change the source of the lighting to color instead of skybox. Or even better, just add more lights to your scene. Now it's time for us to set the rotation of the directional light so we can see the sun in our scene, and then we can just change it with animation or with script to create the sunrise and the sunset. If you're interested in skyboxes and want to learn more, check out this playlist for more cool things about them. See you there. Bye!